You ever done the laundry and just can only find one sock and you can't find its mate anywhere? Well, stay tuned. Let's see if we can solve that issue. It also involves a new tool. So the first thing I'm going to say is both of my boys, at this point in time, they are 16 and 15. They're not babies anymore. If you've grown up watching my videos, you'll see where they were really little. They're not babies anymore. So we all wear the same size sock. Instead of buying all different kinds of socks, you got where you have the ankle socks, the crew socks, the mid socks, the long socks, whatever. We've only gone with one size sock now. So eventually all those other ones will get lost or destroyed or whatever, and we won't have those socks anymore. So at this point in time, these are the only socks I'm getting. There's really no reason for this brand or this style or anything like that. Well, mainly the style because, well, I like this style of sock personally. They're pretty comfortable, they're pretty thick, they got support. So anyways, and they were cheap. I think a dozen was like $11 or something. It was on, I don't know, they were at Sam's. So anyway, so this is the sock that I picked, and these are the only socks that I'm buying. A year from now, if they're still making these socks and we need to buy more, I'm just buying this type of sock. That will alleviate and minimize the matching of the socks. So I don't have to find a blue sock with a light blue sock, or a white sock with a green stripe, a white sock with the red stripe. It doesn't matter. They're all the same, so they'll all be each other's match. So we're going to take it one step further. Look at that. They're snapped together. So now, whenever you need them, you take them apart, put your socks on, you wear them out. They get stinky, dirty, nasty. Take socks off, snap them together. Even if you throw them on the floor, which you're not supposed to do, they'll still be together. Put them in the laundry hamper, they're still together. Wait till you do your laundry, put them in the washing machine, they wash around. Alright, take them out, they're still together. Throw them into the dryer, they get all tangled around, whatever. Hey underwear, how you doing? Hey pants, how you doing? Alright, take them out of the dryer, they're still together. You fold and match your clothes, they're still together. You throw them back into your sock drawer, they're still together. You pull them back out, put them on, they're still together. Y'all hang in there, I'll show you how to do this. Alright guys, so again, this is why I kind of encourage you to subscribe to the channel, because you never know what I'm coming up with. Because I don't even know. So today's going to include these little plastic rivet button things and socks, but they're always together. So this is pretty simple. You get this little spiky looking thing, and the way I've been doing it is that the inside of this has a line. It's not on the outside, it's just on the inside. And I've been having my socks like this. So I take, let's see, this one, I find that line in the middle. Again, in the middle of the sock, doesn't have to be exact. Push that through, comes out that end. And then the female end I put on this side. I'm going to get this little crimper, and then just crimp it together. And there you go. It's crimped in there. Now, technically I should be able to just go into the middle, put that in there, and whatever. But just to be on the safe side, I put them together. I put my finger right where that divot is. I put it back on the line, push that through, get the male in, put that on there. Come back with your tool and crimp away. Now, see how well you can see that, but whatever. So then, just button them together. Y'all look down in the description. So if this is a couple years from now or whatever, if this becomes an issue, then I'll let you know. If this is not comfortable on my ankle, or you know, whatever the case is, I'll let you know if this is worth doing or not. So again, if you're watching this several years down the line and you want to give it a try, look in that description, and that'll tell you if you should do it or not, if I've come across any issues, or if there's a better way to do it. I'm also going to put links in the description. Hang on just a second. We'll do this last pair real quick. Okay, so again, grab the sock, have it out this way, and again, I'm putting these all the same way. So if for whatever reason these come undone, the female end will always be on this side, so my left side. I guess it'd be your right, but whatever. And there's really no rhyme or reason why I did the female on the left side. That's just the way it is. Ta-da! Got 2 pairs of socks. They're in the washing machine. They're in the dryer. Uh-oh, we got to get them all, put them together. Okay. Done. So, there's the socks. Kind of go over the tool a little bit. This is made out of aluminum. Got a couple replacement jaws in here. A little replacement plunger right here. And again, I'll have links in the description down below. But it does come with these replacement jaws, and might be able to tell, but this one is a little bit wider than this one. I don't know if you need to know that or not. It does have a replacement plunger, and it does come with a little cute little screwdriver. And then let me show you the plastic buttons, I guess. There you go. So you get, this is 1,000 pieces, something like that. But it comes with 2 of these bags. They're going to be like the rivet part, the little spiky part. And then you'll have one bag that is the female end, and then one bag that is the male end. And then again with another bag of the rivet part, whatever. So there you go. New excuse to buy a new tool. You know, I'm all for that. Alright, again, yeah, comment, rate. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're going to try this. Subscribe for more, because again, you never know what we're going to come up with. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later. See ya.